So this is my new milling machine, new to me. It was made in 1996. It's a Grizzly. And the motor that came with it was shot. So I ended up buying this one from Amazon. It's a VEVOR 2 horsepower single phase motor, and it is a 56C frame, what they call a 56C frame. So it has a flange right in here. So I had to make this motor mount out of 1/4 inch steel and cut it out with a cutting torch and make it fit. And that allows this new motor to be adapted to this machine. Now wiring it in wasn't too bad. So what I needed to happen was to have the drum switch. We need to switch wire 6 and wires 8 on the machine, on the motor, in order for it to run in reverse. So 6 is in its own cluster and 8 is in its own cluster. So I ran a lead. I isolated wire 6 and isolated wire 8 and ran a lead to the drum switch. This is 6 here and this is 8. Then the drum switch makes the connection from this lead to this. The 2 white wires connect and the 2 yellow wires connect when the switch is in this position. This is off. When it's in reverse position, this lead, this lead goes to the yellow wire, and this yellow lead is switched with this one. So the 6 and 8 wires switch, and that allows it to run in forward and reverse. Now the L1 power wire is here. It is unplugged. And it's switched. So L1 is switched just like a light switch in your house. So you only have to switch one leg. And then the other power wire is the red one here. And it just comes in from this wire, and it isn't switched. It's just directly wired to this red wire, which goes right up to the motor and makes its connection there. So the drum switch is kind of strange, but all you have to do is make these wires switch. So I will start it up and we'll watch it run. Alright, it's plugged in, and I'm going to throw the drum switch to the up position. And we can see that the cutting head is moving in, I guess you could call that clockwise motion. So anyway, like this. I'll switch it off, give it a couple seconds, and now it's running the opposite way, and that has to do with the wires number 6 and number 8 being switched. So I haven't even made a cut with it yet, but I will. So there you go. Thank you. Bye.